Fiat 131. The Fiat 131 is a family sedan manufactured and marketed by Fiat from 1974 to 1984 after its debut at the 1974 Turin Motor Show. Available as a 2-door and 4-door saloon and 5-door estate across a single generation, the 131 succeeded the Fiat 124. The 131 was also marketed as the Fiat Mirafiori, after the Turin suburb where the cars were manufactured. Initially, the 131 was offered with 1.3 liters and 1.6 liters overhead valve engines, and the range received revisions in 1978 and 1981. Production reached 1,513,800. The Fiat 131 used steel monocoque bodywork for its 3-box design and used a front engine, rear-wheel drive layout, where the engine is longitudinally front-mounted. The gearbox is directly behind the engine, and a tubular propeller shaft, under the transmission tonneau, transmits the drive to a solid live rear axle. The engines were all inline 4 types, derived from those used in the outgoing 124 range, with a cast iron cylinder block and aluminium alloy cylinder head. Initially the 131 was offered only with push-rod valve gear, which offered the innovation of being the worldwide first engine with OHV valve gear and a belt-driven camshaft. Only later in the model's life came the well-known double overhead camshaft, DOC, engines which used a toothed timing belt. Fuel supply was via a single Weber ADF twin-choke carburetor, fed from a trunk-mounted steel fuel tank. Traditional contact breaker ignition systems were used, usually with Marelli distributors.